All right, moving inside, you have that full wraparound bar slash galley, convection, microwave, cooktop, TV that's on a release, so that'll release and slide in so you can watch it from the helm or from any of the seats back here. You have a full stand-up fridge and freezer. Then again, the fridge is outside. Neglected to mention that there's 2 tables that go in to make either one small table or one large table back there. Down here is a liquor cabinet, and this is the optional convertible bed. So to open this up, you just pull out these 2 cushions, pop right off, and then this seat flips over, and it's a full width. I mean, the cushion's fairly wide, so that's actually a comfortable bed there. And then same thing to swap it back. There's a table that stows away downstairs that will pop in here. This does not convert, that's the full setup. Got a double wide helm seat, flip up bolsters, 2 big Garmin screens, of course joystick, and all the other things you'd expect, and a really nice visibility. Then you've got the power sunroof, so this is a glass system when it's closed. Then obviously you can open it up to get some fresh air. Downstairs, you have the master, hanging closet, both sides. Again, you've got a TV in the master, opposite side, hanging closet, and then a private bed. So full stand-up shower, a sink, storage, and storage underneath. And in back over here is the day head or the guest head. It's a wet head with a shower there, sink and storage. The walk through here, you have the washer dryer combo and storage beneath. And the back room. So this is just a small sitting area. This TV again will release and fold open so it faces the rest of the room. This is the area down here that we put a pack and play in, or you can do like a small inflatable mattress or whatever to sleep an additional kid if necessary. So both of those leg rests raise out, that backrest will pop up, and then you've got enough area easily for one adult or a kid to sleep. Obviously a large bed here, you can sleep a couple of kids, and a nice big storage compartment with a hanging locker in there. That's where the table stows for upstairs and salon, and then you've got your vacuum parts for the central vac system in here as well. Some storage down below. Nice big sliding windows next to the helm seat, both sides.